Hey, it's Megan with WTI. If you get dark circles under your eyes or puffiness, do yourself a big favor and try these moisturizing eye masks by Grace and Stella. I have seen a notable difference with the reduction of dark circles under my eyes after wearing them for about 15 to 20 minutes. If I have a rough night's sleep and wake up with tired eyes, then my eyes feel like I've had kind of like a shot of caffeine put in them after wearing these eye masks. I personally find these stay on really well, so when I'm wearing them, I can do other things like chores around the house or taking some time for relaxing and a little self care. I'm telling you guys, I am 40 and we all can use all the help we can get. And I definitely notice a huge difference when using these eye patches. I look more energized and youthful, and they are definitely worth a try. And that's my point of view.